trips but not even touch the trails, then just get the two-wheeled. But if you're going to be going on more aggressive terrain, well, that's why I recommend if we just get a very well-used one with high miles, and then that makes it much easier where all we got to do is put a new engine in it. And yeah, because I see it over and over. I can get a Sprinter van shell for about $10,000, easy. The gear will really vary, but I'm just saying if we get the shell for about, because the shell and the frame is what's important. If we get that,